Hello everyone, right now I am only new feature available for user online. I am showing for that. This one for fiverr website. See, this one for green, show for green, this one for user online, but our always for all script is not online. Okay, right now I am for signing for user, my username and password. I'm signing and go to for listed, and right now user is online. This one for name for freelancer is freelancer gig for all user for online. I'm just go to for details space. See, this one for online. I'm other space open, example this one for others seller. I'm go to for this one is not online show, so I'm already create for online user and offline user automatically showing. So what do you think? You need this for similar script. So first go to HOTLancer, and search for fiverr. See, this one script, you can purchase this one. Is this one for basic version and advanced AI version, 2 function available. I hope like my video. Please subscribe my channel, and also you need for similar fiverr script, so link description below.